Geesinknorba is one of Europe's leading companies when it comes to refuse collecting vehicles and waste compactors. We have customers all over the world, and since 1875 we provide highly specialized units for our customers. My name is David Afman and I'm Chief of Operations COO at Geesinknorba. From a manufacturing perspective, it is interesting that we have a very broad product portfolio. 99% of our units are customized, and we try to meet the customer needs always and even improve them and outperform them. It increases the complexity within our manufacturing process dramatically, because we not only need to deal with a broad portfolio, we also need to deal with different kinds of chassis like Mercedes, MAN, DAF and Scania, for instance, but also new ones like EMOS with full electric units. Then we do welding ourselves, we do assembly ourselves, we have a painter working for us, we have lots of customization on this, and we have 110 units in the work in progress, so it's quite complex. The opportunity we identified is to create a match between our customer needs, our product needs, with our operation system in our production lines, but also how we control the production. So there we were looking for something which is supporting us with intelligence, with good process flow to match the lead times we need and to also match the functionality we want to have. The first approach was, like also others do, looking at a smart factory. So how can we use IT to improve our processes and also efficiency? But on the other hand, what we've seen is that we need to have a different solution to deal with our complexity in terms of variation, but also in terms of customization. A smart unit, for instance, can adjust the routings we have. It can start simultaneously different production steps at the same time. It considers the supply side, it considers the lead time, and it considers capacity, but it will take always the best decision.
In the heart of this solution is one thing: processes. It's important that all processes are documented as required by ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. It is important that all the production processes are flexible and transparent. So, to make it possible, we needed to design, optimize and automate processes, building in business rules and machine learning, connecting our production systems through a single platform. We worked with our trusted partner, Nimble Institute, and selected Bizagi's process automation platform, which enables us to design and optimize all our processes, automate those processes and the rules behind them by building model-driven process applications. We started by documenting our existing manufacturing process. The Bizagi platform really helped us with this, because the resulting visual model helps everyone to understand exactly how the process works and what you are trying to achieve. Through an agile process, we built the application in sprints, testing the results and iterating at each stage. Working in this way really helped us to work efficiently and deliver results quickly.
For our customers, it's exciting that we provide with this system much more flexibility also for them. At the moment, if we talk about the tender business, our customers are roughly 1 year busy with defining their requirements until the unit is delivered. We will allow late adjustments on units so that their needs, their growing needs and also their changing needs will be considered. It will take Geesinknorba to a unique position in the market, because we can deal on a very professional way with customized customer needs, with very good products, intelligent products, and it will provide us with a boost in terms of customer experience. So far, we've already achieved remarkable results. On the one hand, we have decreased the lead time. On the other hand, we have increased the production efficiency by 45%, as well as the production output by 40%. With a set of other measures, it took us 8 months now to achieve these remarkable results, and this is something we are really proud of.